If that isn't the ricey man himself. One sec, I forgot my windows are down. Dudes, I've been letting this sieve air out ever since we did that burnout. Oh my god, of course the light's not gonna come on. And I made the biggest rookie mistake. Oh, like, weird being in here. It is weird being in here. How's it going, guy? Are we gonna do some stunts? No. Dude, this thing's slow. I think you need a turbo kit.
I think he's pissing off this light.
Oh, it keeps going out? I just saw it go out too. Yep, she going. We're also gonna have to make this thing ride smoother. The camera's like jumping all around the place.
I think it's not that bad.
It's not bad, but it's a tad aggressive for me. Anyways, I told you guys I was a rookie because I did the stupidest thing and I opened an air freshener to put it in the sieve to try and get rid of the burning tire smell, and guess what smell I put in?
Black ice.
That goddamn coconut one. Remember the one we put in the BRZ and it made us puke?
Made you puke.
Made me puke. You liked it. I friggin' opened it and I didn't. It smelled like tires. I just opened it, threw it in, and left it there. And then I opened the doors this morning and I was like, oh, bad news. Literally every RPM range, something different vibrates. Like as you give it gas, like up here vibrates, then back there vibrates, and over here vibrates. Everything needs to be tightened up. 240's been in storage for a couple months now, ever since the colder weather came around. And we finally, well, he just put temporary plates on it, but we finally pulled it out of storage today because we're gonna take it over to the house because we got some goods for it. We got insurance and it only lasts for, they only got it for tonight, right?
Yeah.
We're just going for a quick little boot, warm the 240 back up. Whoa, I'm out of focus. Welcome it back to its abusive life. To like full send. The speed limit's 30. Mint. This camera does not have a big enough lens to like capture it, but it's just a good view. I know it's hard to see, but we drove up a mountain.
Right here.
Go where?
Right here.
Go what?
Ready?
Okay. Oh baby, we're sending! We're sending! I didn't know we were gonna send, bro. I thought you were just gonna launch. Welcome home, baby. Why do you need to be Hulk Hogan to open this thing? That is the heaviest hood I've ever lifted in my entire life. No wonder your car's so slow. You got fucking cinder blocks in here. Are you excited or what?
Oh yeah.
I'm so excited for you. I know, we should get you a whole new radiator, dude. This one looks like it's been kicked in the balls. We literally put these Corbeau seats in, got you guys all hyped up. We're like, this is the start. We're gonna start building the 240, got the Corbeau seats, and then I don't know what happened. We just stopped. We were just like, never mind. Boys, I have some awesome goodies in the back of Emerson's truck. I literally went to his work today, stole his truck. I had to go down to FedEx to pick up this package. I know you guys already know what it is, but I'm so stoked to show Emerson mainly. Like, I can't wait for him to like actually see it. I think our name for this project is gonna be Project SR Killer. Sounds lame, but a lot of people underestimate what a boosted KA can do. And before we get there, I know so many people are gonna be butthurt and like ripping on us for boosting the KA instead of going SR, whatever. It doesn't matter. His car was already KA. He already rebuilt the top end once when he blew his head gasket, and he rebuilt it to handle boost. And it's what we have, and we're working with it. Got some intercooler pipes. Oh baby. I'm not gonna open any of this until Emerson gets home, obviously. It would hurt my heart if he was not involved in it. So a lot of people ask, and it doesn't really matter to anybody. It's none of anybody's business, but some of the channels that I like to watch the most are people that are very honest and you fully understand what's going on in their lives. A lot of people ask like if I pay Emerson, if Emerson gets paid to be on the channel, and ever since day one, he's refused payment. So what I've always told him is work as if I'm gonna wide body your 240. Work as if I'm gonna boost your 240. And he has helped me so much that there's no way to thank him. You can't pay somebody. Like, it's priceless. And what's coming for the whole 240 build is like a huge thank you to him from me. This is not that cold.
That's how my car idles.
It is how your car idles. All right, where do you want to start? Oh, what? You make noise now? Dude, you're shaking. I can see the camera.
I'm cold, okay?
It's not that bad.
I've been outside all day.
Oh, I got something. That looks so cool. Yo, why didn't we get a real turbo kit for me, man? What the hell? This looks so cool.
What is it?
Whoa! Look at that. Is it okay if I just smack this off the front of your car?
Like this?
Oh, Robbie, what are you doing?
You need to watch out, dude. That front bumper is valuable. You're gonna be rocking that for a long time. Okay. Unbox everything onto the table, and then we'll just move the table over there.
Okay, yo, this can stay with me.
What sound does that part make? Dude, all this is so nice. Like, our first experience with any like turbo kit stuff was like all the CX racing, so it's super budget, and it was still sick at the time. But now, like, the bar has been set. I guess like something. You just threw that right at the camera.
Yeah, well, I was trying to throw it over you.
Dumbass. This is an ISR turbo kit. It's, I don't know the actual exact name of it. It's like the ISR KAT or something, which we picked up from Injuku Racing. Whoa, you almost cut my hand off.
Z32 MAF adapter.
No, that's just the adapter.
But we still need to get the MAF.
Yeah.
3-inch cone air filter. You said they're missing this, and this, and this, and they're gonna ship it when it's in stock.
Yeah, they're missing a coupler.
Yeah, and they said the air filter.
No, the pipe for the filter. So that filter right now will only directly, because you have bottom mount turbo.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be mounted like down there, and it's gonna need to breathe from like up here.
Looks like a King M1.
That's nice.
Oh! What? This is literally the thing that all SR people know about.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Apparently it's good.
There you go, bro. You get the good stuff. So what sound does this one make?
Oh, no,
Oh my god, that's big.
This is the downpipe. That's the elbow.
Holy. 1 second.
I thought this kid's for a car, not a diesel.
This thing is gonna shoot massive flames. I hope
It
so.
is gonna shoot massive flames. Look at it. Dude, we're gonna have so much fun installing this stuff. Because like it's actually built to fit your car. It's almost as big. So your car's gonna be a straight, like turbo back straight pipe, except the one muffler.
Yeah. This is ridiculous.
Can I open the box?
Open the box, dude. You bought it.
Thanks. You know how hard it is to bring a turbo kit into the garage and not open it and just have like oh yeah, here's a couple turbo kit. No, I'm just gonna go back inside and do nothing until Emerson gets here. You know how hard that is? Especially when the car it's going in is right here. Like, come on, boy. More couplers. It's a Civic.
Should I get that painted? Powder coated?
No.
Why? You like this shiny?
I like it shiny, but maybe one day. But let's get it running first. Like if you spend your time to get this powder coated, then your motor doesn't take boost happily. We are not gonna be happy with that.
Yeah, I know you want big exhaust.
Ah, it's heavy. Okay, your turn to open that. Oh my god, this is gonna catch it on fire.
Oh yeah, that's hot.
That's it?
Yeah. Stop wasting time.
Stop wasting time.
I mean, we're all anxious to see what's in the box.
Oh my god, just look at it, it looks fat. Oh. Holy.
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay, guy.
Okay, best for last, bro.
Oh.
What?
Oh. Jesus. Whoa, dude, what the hell?
And this one's different than the Civ because the Civ has an external wastegate. I guess this is still external. I don't know what you would call this one, but it's like on the turbo, whereas the Civics is like on the manifold.
Stamp something.
Yo, we should just engrave your fucking name on here. Emerson Lazo, the turbo for you. Oh, dude, it's blown already.
Is it?
What the hell, man? We gotta return it. Just put it back in the box. We'll send it home. Video's over. I'm stoked to get this on. We are gonna make the Poo 40 shred. You're gonna be spanking SRs left, right, center, and they're not even gonna expect it. They're gonna be like, oh, look at me in my stock turbo, 240, They're gonna be like, bang! And they're gonna be like, holy shit, man. Dude, this is gonna be sick. I'm a little bit sad because after we did the unbox for the Civic one, we just kind of got right into it. Like we started taking things apart, but we're not gonna be able to do that tonight. I have some stuff I gotta do right now. So we just got the unboxing for today. Take it how you want it. We're boosting the KA and it's gonna haul ass. That's all we're gonna be able to do today. Like let's just take one good look at what is about to happen here. I don't even know what like the specs on this. I don't even know. I just know it's gonna go fast. So when do you want to start this? You're off Friday, right?
Yes.
We gonna start Friday. Okay, brother, end the video. We got to do. We're also getting rid of this janky thing too. Ugly ass used steering wheel. Okay, end the video. End the video. We gotta go.
We're gonna go sell Subaru now. Peace out. Stay committed.
Peace out.
Keep on making rice.